What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. My name is Marcus, and I know I don't film a lot, but we're back at it again with the YouTube videos. I'm sure y'all know, but it's just been a lot of stuff behind the scenes, and I had to get a new phone and yada yada. Yeah, a lot of camera issues, but now we back. I'm about to start posting again consistently, so make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, I have nothing else to do but film. I've been wanting to film for so long, and it's about that time now. But today, all I'm doing right now is putting stuff in plastic wrap because I have all my stuff on shelves, so. Yeah, these are my racks right now. It was way more organized, but, I'm trying to put everything in the plastic wrap now. I feel like it's going to look way nicer once everything's wrapped up. And right now, I'm working on this bin. So, yeah. Gonna get started. As you can see, it's a super tedious process, so I'm just about to chill, listen to some music, and I'm gonna get back to y'all once I'm almost done with this huge bin right here. Okay, so random. I'm still in here though, but I was thinking I might get on Whatnot, Got all these black tees and these bin full of tees. I'm just so tired of holding inventory. I've been doing this shit for fucking years now, and these are my like $100+ tees. So I don't know. I might keep all my outerwear, jeans. I got all my jeans in the bin right now. All my button downs, everything, and sell every single tee on Whatnot. But I'm still thinking about it. If I post this, then you guys will know. But 1998 Harley, 2005 Elvis, 90s Alcatraz. What's this? That's like a Miller, Stay Cool. 2005 Nirvana, Y2K, little skull type shit. I'm 29 plus this many, dated 2000. This one's 1997 Rolling Thunder, Too Clean. And this one's a 1994 Southern California earthquake. But yeah, I'm gonna run all these on Whatnot, and I ain't doing no little cheap starts, like everybody else. My shit gonna be like 10, 15. So yeah, we'll see. What's up, you guys? It's a brand new day back in the storage. I just did a little tiny Whatnot show. It wasn't really shit though. I showed like 4 little items. I ain't really worried about that. But I'm getting everything back organized. I got this whole stack of gray tees that I just folded. All this on the shelf. Just folded all this, put it back on there. Still gotta organize all that because I'm trying to put everything in plastic wrap. Just look at how nice it looks. That shit look nice as hell. And I still gotta get these in plastic, all these whites in plastic, and I gotta straighten up this whole shelf. That shit is going crazy. And I'm still working on this bin, folding them, putting them on the shelf. I'm only putting stuff back up here because I just got on Whatnot. I'm not really feeling it. It's not my vibe. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm gonna just start being completely transparent. Not my vibe. So I'm folding everything, putting it back on the shelf. I gotta buy more plastic for these, and yeah. Got a lot of organizing to do. All right, I just figured out something else I'm gonna do because I'm still waiting on plastic wrap to come in the mail and stuff. So I'm gonna take all these button downs from up there, put them in bins for now, and this is gonna be fully for tees, only tees, and all these camo pants need to come off the bottom, strictly tees, and this is gonna be T1. And then this one is gonna be O1. Then I'm gonna start J1. And yeah, I'm just about to fully, completely separate everything now. Just to make it easy for me. It's hot as hell in here. But I've been working on my inventory method for about, I don't know, some weeks now, and I'm just now getting it right. But I'm definitely gonna take all these pants off the bottom. My button downs and everything, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. That's what I'm about to figure out. But for now, all of that is going in the bin and tea is on the shelf. But yeah, I'm gonna get back with you guys, about to play some music. Let's get it. All right, we're back at the storage unit. About to go ahead and get back started. Now I'm talking about, it's been a few days since I've been here, so everything's still the same. But I ain't gonna waste no more time. I'm about to go ahead and get started. I'm still waiting on more clear poly mailers for all my tees. I need to get all my jeans off the shelf, well, all my pants. And right now, I'm about to finish all this outerwear. So next time I check back in with y'all, all the outerwear is gonna be done. Let's get it. All right, I don't know if y'all can see everything, but we're gonna go with it. I just figured I would talk a second while I'm wrapping everything in plastic. Hair looking funny. But I really ain't got shit to talk about. I just didn't want to put way too many time lapse in the video. But this is all I'm doing. Just, you know, folding, put a sticker, boom, put it on top. Wrap it in a little plastic. One more sticker on there. It's kind of harder to do on this side because I was just on too much. This is all I'm doing the whole time. Wrapping shit in plastic. Boom. Make it a little sticky. That's it. But if you guys do see anything you want, you know what I'm saying, you can just hit me up on Etsy, Poshmark, Instagram, and I got you. But let me get my angles back right, because I need to finish. It's just going to be so many time lapse in this video, and I don't know where I'm going to get my music from. But we'll see. Catch you guys back when I'm almost done. All right, about to post this one on the gram. This is a Lyricy. It is 80s. I think it's a men's one. Yeah, volleyball on the gram. About to post this. I'm almost done. I just got this one more little stack. And then I'm starting on this bin of button downs. Almost done. I know that looks messy as hell, but all of that is coming off. All my pants and jeans are getting their own shelf. And I'm waiting on more clear poly mailers for these. But we're almost there. Slowly but surely, you know. That looks super clean. And all of that is little kid stuff. I need to get that from up there. Got a long way to go. I just started it, so. This is the craziest storage unit ever. You got the light turned off on me. Oh my God. Crazy. All right, you guys, so I'm done organizing all of the outerwear. Now I just got to start on all of the button downs and then I got to get another shelf for all the jeans. But yeah, I'm done with everything for now. And I think I'm going to end the video right there just to not make it too long. This is everything so far. My tees, there's just kid stuff up there. And this is all my outerwear. Boom, boom, boom. And it's just blazers down there. Couple blazers over there. And I'm waiting on more for these. I know I said that already, but yeah, pretty much all done. I don't want to keep dragging this video. All right, that's going to be the end of this video. Make sure y'all niggas hit that. Probably shouldn't have said that. Make sure y'all hit that like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell for future videos. And check out my links. Check out my Etsy, Poshmark, Instagram, you know what I'm saying? If there's anything y'all want, let me know. Or just cop. It's in the offer. That's it, though. We about this thing. Enough yapping.